Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java, providing a full guide. We'll start by covering the absolute basics, ensuring you build a strong foundation. Focus on understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and operators. Then, move into object-oriented programming, mastering classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Consistent practice is key to solidifying these fundamental skills and preparing for more advanced topics. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to dive into intermediate Java. Begin by exploring the Java Collections framework, which includes lists, sets, and maps, essential for managing data efficiently. Next, learn about input and output operations, including how to read from and write to files. Finally, tackle multithreading and concurrency, understanding how to write programs that perform multiple tasks simultaneously for better performance. For advanced Java development, expand your knowledge into several key areas. Start with database connectivity using JDBC, allowing your applications to interact with databases. Then, delve into web development frameworks like Spring Boot, which simplifies building robust web applications and microservices. Don't forget about testing. Learn to use frameworks such as JUnit to write effective unit and integration tests, ensuring your code is reliable and maintainable. Continuous learning is vital in your Java journey. Always stay updated with new Java versions and features. Practice regularly by building personal projects and consider contributing to open-source initiatives to gain real-world experience. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, as well as other great deals to help you along the way. Keep coding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.